A digital storage oscilloscope, DSO, is an electronic instrument that is used to measure electrical signals. It is similar to an analog oscilloscope, but instead of displaying the signal on a cathode ray tube, it stores the signal digitally and displays it on a screen. A DSO has two main components, an analog-to-digital converter, ADC, and a digital signal processing, DSP, unit. The ADC converts the analog signal into a digital representation, and the DSP unit processes the digital signal and displays it on the screen. DSOs offer several advantages over traditional analog oscilloscopes. They can store and recall multiple waveforms, which is useful for troubleshooting and analysis. They also have the ability to zoom in and out, allowing for a more detailed analysis of the signal. DSOs also allow for a variety of measurement and analysis functions such as FFT, waveform math and statistics, and measurements of frequency, amplitude, rise time etc. DSOs also offer a variety of triggering options such as edge, pulse width, and pattern triggering, that allows the user to capture specific events in the signal. Many DSOs also include built-in waveform generators that allow the user to create and output a variety of signals for testing and troubleshooting. DSOs are widely used in various fields such as engineering, research, and industrial applications where precise measurement of electrical signals is required. They are available in different forms such as benchtop, handheld and USB-powered. With the advancements in technology, DSOs now offer better resolution, high sample rates and deep memory, making them suitable for more demanding applications.